Hello, Professor Helming here. I wanted to take a quick moment to record a little video to talk about the revision phase of the project. Because sometimes, especially with online classes, it can be a little tough to wrap your brain around what it is I'm looking at for that revision rubric. It says revisions and reflections, but what am I talking about? What does that look like? So I wanted to just show you a couple of examples of what good, thorough revision looks like. So how this works is when I go back into your Google Docs, I will click on the version history and I'll see what you've done since I graded your essay the first time. And you see how I see that is that Google Docs will actually highlight all the changes you've made. So when I go in, I will scroll through your essay in the version history view and it'll show me what's new, and it'll look like this. There'll be stuff highlighted like this. Like you can see this author has made some changes. You can see the things that are crossed out have been deleted or moved, and everything that's highlighted in kind of bluish green there is new material, new editing little marks and things like that. And this author did a really good job. This is one page. Here's some other work that this author did. Still more and more. So you can just kind of see that in the document, I'll be able to tell what you've moved, what you've changed, what you've added, and I can get a really good sense just skimming through this of the sorts of changes you made. Now, of course, just looking at what changed is not everything that goes into this grade, because as you see in the rubric, it's both revisions and reflections. Okay. So I also want to see those reflections, which you use the comment feature in Google Docs to add your thinking about the revision process. And so this author, in addition to these great revisions, also has reflections like this one, where she's very thoroughly thinking through, okay, why did I make these changes? Why is this important to the ideas in my paper? And this is just one of the many reflections in this essay. So I hope just being able to visualize those things gives you a better sense of what I'm looking for in this revision phase, what I hope to see, because I'm not grading the whole essay again. Although I hope that the final product of your essay is stronger after all this, I'm grading the process of revision. Okay, so make sure that when I go into your document, I see that. I see your thinking about the changes you've made and why you think those are the right things to improve your paper.